If you've been in the market to buy a new home, but saving for the down payment has been the biggest obstacle to getting it done, make sure to stay tuned for this video. We're going deep inside a new home loan product that only requires 1% down. What's going on, everyone? I am Jen Snells, Florida Realtor and mortgage loan originator. On this channel, we discuss all things real estate and mortgage, help you achieve your goal of financial empowerment through home ownership. Now, without further ado, let's get into this new home loan program. I'm excited about this one. So you may be thinking that this is a form of a down payment assistance program, but you are wrong. This is actually a traditional conventional loan that requires 3% down, allowing you to finance 97% of the home's value. Now what happens is the lender gives you a 2% grant, leaving you with the remaining 1% to bring to the table at closing time. Now, the loan actually allows you to put a maximum of 5% down, but the difference between a 3% down payment and a 5% down payment is most of the time pretty nominal. So for all intents and purposes of this video, we're gonna work off of the 3%, 1% from you model. Now let's get into the qualifications to get this loan. First, starting with credit. This loan is going to require that you have a minimum 620 credit score. That's a pretty hard stop. It's not really going to vary from lender to lender. There are also some maximum values that we're going to talk about. First, there is a maximum loan value of $350,000 with this product. Now, first, it's important to know the difference between a loan amount and a purchase price. The loan amount is the amount that the bank is going to lend you after all down payment funds have been received. So this means if the maximum loan amount is $350,000, the purchase price can be a bit more. The max purchase price is going to be around $360,000 if you are taking advantage of the 3% minimum required. There is also a maximum income amount with this loan. Now, I'm going to put the link in the bio. When you get a chance, you're going to want to look up something called your area median income. Now, this loan is going to base the max income off of this number. This can also be called the AMI. Now, here in my area of Wesley Chapel, Tampa, Florida, the AMI is about $89,400. This loan is going to allow you to earn up to 80% of that number, which in our area puts you right at about $71,000, a little bit over. So what does this mean for you? This means as long as you earn $71,502 to be exact or less, you would qualify for this loan based on income. Now, speaking of income, you all may be familiar with something called debt to income ratio. This is the exact relationship between the amount of money you have to pay each month to service all of your debt compared to the income that you earn each month. Now, when we say service debt, this isn't something like a phone bill, an electricity bill, a cable bill. These are going to be credit cards, loans, revolving lines of credit. Now, because this is a conventional loan, you are typically going to want to keep that ratio below 45%. This can go up to 50% in some cases, however. My favorite part of this loan, outside of the 1%, of course, is no PMI. That's right, no PMI. Not no PMI after you have 20% equity or no PMI after a certain number of years. From day one, there is no PMI. Guys, this is going to translate into significant savings on your monthly payment by not having this requirement on the loan. Now, in all honesty and full transparency, with anything in life, most of the time, if you're getting something, you're going to have to give a little something. And this loan is no different. In this case, you are going to have a slightly higher interest rate than you may have with a traditional loan product. However, you really just have to sit and weigh out the pros and the cons. The ability to be able to get into a home with very little money down for most people is trumping the idea of trying to have an absolute low monthly payment by way of having a lower interest rate. But everyone is different. You really have to sit down and do your numbers. Overall, this loan product is excellent for those individuals who are well qualified, they have the credit, they have the income, but they're low on cash. Maybe you aren't a first-time home buyer, so you won't qualify for a lot of the down payment assistance programs. Perhaps you're not a veteran and a 0% down VA loan is not going to be for you. And for those who may be interested in a USDA loan, but maybe the property is not located in an eligible USDA area to take advantage of that 0% down loan, this is probably the next best thing. Now, if you would like more information about this loan product or any other loan product, please feel free to reach out to me. All of my information is in the description box below. If you're located in the state of Florida, I would love the opportunity to earn your mortgage business if you are shopping around for rates and pre-approvals. If you are specifically in the Central Florida area, it would also be my pleasure to represent you as your real estate agent. And if you utilize me as both, I can offer you even more savings at the closing table through my commission share program. The way it works, if I am your real estate agent and your mortgage professional at the same time on the same purchase, I am going to share a portion of my total commission with you to be credited towards your closing costs. And you can use that in whatever way makes most sense for you. Now, maybe you're not in the market to buy a home right now, but you did find some value in today's video. Please do me a favor and hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. I really appreciate it, and it helps to enable me to continue to bring valuable content just like you saw today. Now remember, your financial empowerment is truly my passion. From the loan to the home, I'll always have you covered. Thank you for watching. Until next video, stay healthy and stay wealthy.